This whole slope here was deforested when the city built the retaining wall down here, and we're going to work to reforest it all. It's going to be a lot of work. Some of it's going to be done with machinery, frankly, because of the scale of it. We want this all to be forested again. The path will come down here. Down there you see the landing where the pond will go. And you also see, like I said, this opportunity. Here it is, laid out in front of us. And you know, it's just really critical for our city to remain integrated with nature, so that we can continue to have a salmon run through our city. I think it's a critical piece of our identity.